Squeak-clink. A curious sound echoed from the garage. Something needed attention inside the big shed. Louie heard it. The funny noise paused, then started again. A quiet, insistent tap-tap. He pulled on his bright red sneakers. Louie tiptoed, step by careful, quiet step. His heart bounced a little with curiosity. Fox's tail gave a happy thump-thump. He looked at Louie, eyes wide, ears perked up. Fox was ready to follow any trail. They pushed the shed door open just a crack. A sliver of sunny light crept inside the shadowy space. Louie peered in. Dad was there, working on something important. He frowned a tiny bit. A tangled rope made him sigh. His big wrench just wouldn't fit. Oh dear, Dad mumbled, a worried sound. He couldn't quite reach. Louie leaned closer. His curious brown eyes searched carefully. Right there, inside the rope's twist. Almost hidden. A tiny, stubborn knot. Oh, Dad missed it. Louie's fingers were small and clever. He wiggled it gently, patiently. The string gave a small sigh, then untangled. Dad's smile went so big. A glow spread inside Louie. His chest felt sunny and calm. He helped Dad put things away. Breathing felt easy, and everything was exactly right.